EASYMOVE Stacker Electric Stacker 4.5 meter and 5.5 meter 2 model, fully electric. We have provided emergency stop. There are two levers, one for the up and down and one for the side stabilizer. We have provided RFID card to start and stop and another password protection system. There are toggle switch, emergency forward system and horn. थोड़ा दूर से कर लो ऐसा तो. There are two levers, one lever for the up and down and second lever is for the side stabilizer. We are testing a 1.5 ton capacity at full height. Fully heavy duty model, comes with the heavy duty supports. The mast is also a forklift mast CT90 type. The first mast is C type and other two masts are the I type. We are testing a 1.5 ton at full height and after that we will move that load at top height. That we can do with the stabilizer only.